Good morning, students. Welcome to your GK class. Today we will be going from page number 30 to 34. Now let's first start with page number 30, eco-friendly terms. In recent years, terms like eco-friendly and go green have become buzzwords on talk shows, commercials, and product packaging. Eco-friendly literally means earth-friendly or not harmful to the environment. So underline this, the definition of eco-friendly means something which is friendly to the earth and which is not harming to the environment, right? Now let's start with the exercise. Read the description given below and write the eco-friendly terms. Take help from the given clues. Number 1. And as opposed to traditional petroleum-based ink, this ink is more environment friendly. It provides more accurate colors and makes it easier to recycle paper. It is soy-based ink. Number 2, a gas fuel sourced from the decomposition of waste, converting a waste stream and potent greenhouse gases into an energy source. It is biogas. Number 3, anything pertaining to the positive interaction between man-made processes and the delicate organic balance found in our environment. It is eco. Number 4, it refers to achieving net zero carbon emission by balancing a measured amount of carbon released with an equivalent amount offset or sequestered. Carbon neutral. Number 5, the conversion of plant and animal debris to compost through a chemical breakdown of materials in a specific physiological environment. It is compostable. Number 6, a philosophy of creating eco-friendly products using sustainable technologies that will not deplete our planet of its remaining resources. It is green. Number 7, the nation's leading program that verifies and certifies renewable energy products that reduces the emission contributing to global warming and air pollution. It is Green E. Number 8, it is the garbage that individuals routinely discard either in a waste receptacle or a dump or by littering, incinerating or pouring down the drain. It is post-consumer waste. Number 9, the materials that are generated from resources that are managed in a way that they are, for all practical purposes, sustainable over an extended period of time. That is, the resources are not depleted. Such materials are called sustainable materials. These have high enough vapor pressures under normal conditions to significantly vaporize and enter the atmosphere. It is volatile organic compound. Next is page number 31, Environment Days. Here we have to match the days which are celebrated as environment days, and we have to match them with the dates on which they are celebrated. So let's start. Number 1, World Wetland Day. It is celebrated on February 2, that is F. National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on February 28, that is M. World Forest Day, celebrated on March 21, that is I. World Water Day is celebrated on March 22, that is O. World Meteorological Day is celebrated on March 23, that is C. Then World Health Day is celebrated on April 7, that is J. Then World Heritage Day on April 18, that is E. Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on April 22, that is N. International Day of Action for Rivers. It is celebrated on March 14, that is H. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5, that is K. International Tiger Day, celebrated on July 29, that is A. Then World Ozone Day. Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16, that is R. Then Green Consumer Day. Green Consumer Day on September 28, that is B. World Habitat Day on October 3, P. World Animal Welfare Day is celebrated on October 4, that is G. International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction on October 13, that is Q. Global Wind Day is celebrated on June 15, that is L. Then World Soil Day is celebrated on December 5, that is D. Then there is no more given. 2002 was the year of mountains. Year of mountain is 2002. Underline this. As this year drew to close, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed December 11 to be the International Mountain Day. So International Mountain Day will be celebrated on December 11. Underline this and do remember this also.